Protect your Jeep seats from water, mud, and anything you can throw at it with Rough Country's front and rear neoprene seat covers. These easy-to-install covers fit snugly over your Jeep seats to protect your interior from the elements while blending in perfectly. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. In this video, the seats are shown removed from the Jeep for a more visual representation, but it is not necessary for installation of these seat covers. To begin installation, remove the headrest by pushing the adjustment tab and pulling the headrest from the seat. Locate the passenger and driver lower seat base cover. The driver's side will have a slot of the adjustment knob on the side of the driver's seat base. Under the seat, remove the two straps holding the rear stock seat flap to the chassis of the seat. Install the lower seat cover by tucking the lower seat base cover between the seat back and seat base. Connect the seat cover strap buckles front to back under the seat. Adjust the seat base cover to optimize coverage. Tuck the sides of the seat cover into position and route the side straps above the adjustment rail using the hooks on the straps to connect the sides. Locate the driver and passenger side seat back covers. The flap on the seat back covers will face outward toward the door to accommodate the factory seat airbags. Install the top of the seat cover, tucking the seat cover flap between the seat back and the seat base and working the seat back cover into position to optimize coverage. The seat flap unstrapped in step 3 will be flipped up and inside the new seat cover when installed. The flap can be allowed to hang and not be tucked in if desired, but the fit will be tighter with the flap tucked into the seat back cover. Pull the flap from the seat back evenly across the back of the seat. Adjust the cover to the desired look and secure the top flap against the lower flap to secure across the bottom of the seat. Double check all areas that need to be tucked behind the plastic seat components, lumbar, seat tilt lever, and tighten the lower seat base straps by pulling the end of the straps. Install the headrest cover and adjust for optimum coverage. Pull the cover tight using the Velcro to secure around the bottom. Install the headrest cover by inserting stems into the two holes on top of the seat and press downward. Moving on to the rear of the vehicle. Position the rear driver's seat cover on the seat base and adjust to optimize coverage. Tuck the seat base cover between the seat base and seat back. Position straps in and around the bottom. Buckle the two seat cover straps around the bottom of the seat. Adjust the cover and attach the hooks together on the side of the seat straps. Tighten the buckle straps. Install the driver's side top seat cover. Adjust to optimize coverage and pull the zipper closed on the back side of the cover. Tuck the lower front flap of the seat back cover between the seat back and seat base. Pull the lower flap to tighten the seat cover and secure with the upper flap by placing the lower flap under the seat base flap. Flip the headrest down and secure the top of the seat cover. Position to optimize coverage and secure using the Velcro on the end of the seat cover. Install the cover onto the headrest. Return to the upright position. Adjust the headrest cover as needed. Install the passenger side seat base cover onto the seat. Connect the 4 buckle seat cover straps around the bottom of the seat. Adjust the seat base and pull tight. Connect the hooks on the side straps to the bottom of the seat frame. Remove the middle headrest in the top of the passenger side seat by pressing the adjustment tab and put aside for the headrest cover install in a later step. Unzip the rear passenger side seat back cover. Install in the seat back, making sure to go under the center seat belt and wrap around the back. Adjust the cover to optimize coverage and match all openings. Tuck the flap of the seat cover back between the seat back and the seat base. Adjust the cover to optimize coverage across the seat bottom. Close the zipper. Pull the bottom flap up and adjust the seat back cover to optimize coverage. Make sure the seat cover is adjusted and pull the lower flap tight around the seat and secure by placing the lower flap under the seat back cover. Pull the flap through the headrest mount, secure with the Velcro on the back side of the seat cover. Install the passenger side headrest cover and adjust as necessary to cover the headrest. Reinstall the middle seat headrest into the seat back. Adjust the middle seat headrest to optimize coverage. Each cover is designed to be an exact fit on your vehicle with accessibility for airbags, seat adjustment, and more. Just slip each cover firmly over the seat and fasten with the built-in straps, and you're ready to roll. Have questions? Visit roughcountry.com or an authorized Rough Country dealer to learn more.